Hello and welcome to the video. Today's video is based upon the quick pneumatic braking system of a car. So today I'm not going to explain you really in detail, but I'm just going to explain you what hardware did I use and what software I used to build this video, on this project. And without further ado, let's jump onto this. Now you might notice there's lots and lots of things lying around, lots and lots of wires, so don't get terminated with that. This guy over here is just a simple foot pump which gives you the air through this wire. Simple principle. This is an Arduino circuit board or a controller, main brain of the braking system. This electronic part is called a relay module, and this is ultrasonic sensor. This one right over here, we got a solenoid valve, 4-way solenoid valve, from where the compressor has been connected. This is 30 psi compressor. It just cost me around 1000 rupees as Indian money, and I've used a carbonated drink bottle as a reservoir part over here, and I've got 12-volt battery as the power to power the whole thing over here. So how does this thing work? If the obstacle comes in front of the ultrasonic sensor, it senses those commands, send that to the controller, then controller switches on the relay. It's kind of switches the relay, and then it switches the solenoid valve. Once the solenoid valve has been switched on, it allows the compressor air to flow into the foot pump from the reservoir, from compressor to reservoir, the reservoir to foot pump, and the whole reservoir is filled with air, and when it is fully exhausted and executes the air fully into the pump, it throws the pump's pedal just like that. But actually it takes a half an hour to 45 minutes to fill up the whole reservoir, so I won't be extracting the video tutorials too much, but I'll just tell you the hardware, that how can you connect these all. So over here, let me give you a focus onto this. If you see, we got echo, trigger, VCC and ground. Echo pin is connected to the 5th pin of the Arduino, whereas trigger pin is connected to the 6th pin of the Arduino. VCC goes to VCC or Win. Ground goes to ground, which is negative. Now in the relay module, you also got VCC and ground and R2. Over here I'm using this module, not this one. I'm using this one. So R2 is the signal pin which goes to pin number 9 of the Arduino, and the VCC goes to 5-volt pin on the Arduino, and the ground goes to the ground. And over here we got some positive and negative wires coming out from the solenoid valve. Now positive one, which is connected to the battery right over here, will go to the common input, COM, and the power from the solenoid valve, the positive wire from the solenoid valve will go to COM, and the battery's power will go to the NO pin, which is no pin. Okay, if we call that in general English, we'll call that as no pin, but in scientific language we'll call it NO pin. So NO goes for the battery, COM pin goes for the solenoid valve. So as the hardware is explained, let me show you the software a bit. Now let me bring a laptop in. Welcome to my laptop. So let me just grab onto Arduino software right over here. Now if you see the thing over here, define trick pin number 6, which is trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor to pin number 6. Same goes for echo pin, which is connected to pin number 5 of Arduino. Pin number 9, I have written a bulb because I was thinking about a bulb, because bulb is my favorite electronics for all time. So that's the reason. Trick pin output if the pin mode, if it detects if there is a pin connected to the Arduino, then the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor will be sensed as output. Echo pin as it takes input, because ultrasonic sensor has two things. One, if you see the eye, as you see, it got two things. One is a trigger, means it will give you some sounds of 20,000 gigahertz or 20,000 hertz. 20,000 hertz, which cannot be heard by a simple human being. Okay, so it will give you those sound waves. When it will strike to an object and will return back, the echo pin will receive those waves and it will send those signals to the Arduino, and Arduino will work according to its code and trigger this electronic part right over here. So that's how the ultrasonic sensor works, and that's why echo pin over here is the input, because it takes input. Okay, that was the reason. And over here I have declared the duration, distance, and yes, nothing else in the void loop, because duration and distance, we need the timing at what time the distance has been recorded and at which part is going to trigger the relay module. So duration and distances. Digital write trigger pin high, because we need the sound wave to go, of course, high. So, and at the delay of microsecond of 5 millisecond, 5 microsecond, it will turn off automatically. It means it cannot give you the continuous sound waves. The value could get wrong, so that's why it offs for few microseconds, then ons for another microseconds. That continues and continues on and on. Duration, pulse function. Measure the time using pulsion when the echo receives a signal set it to high. As I'm reading the comments. The comments are here. You can read it, and if you don't understand, comment me below. Distance, it's the formula of the distance, duration upon 2 divided by 29.1. Now over here, my favorite part. If the distance is less than 13 centimeters, we'll execute the command light, and serial print, which will be shown in the terminal, will be distance and cm. Now, how does the light command works? As bulb gives us light, so I chose to go with light. Come on, man. Yes, void light, as you can see over here. Digital write bulb low, delay of 15,000 microsecond pulse, wait for 15 seconds, and digital write bulb high, means when the obstacle will be in front of him, it will trigger the relay command to high, means it will be on, and when the obstacle is removed in front of him, it will switch off the relay, where the solenoid valve will be switched off and the pump will retract. So let me show you a demo. Actually, I won't be able to show you the demo with the pump going out, but I will show you the light switching on with the ultrasonic module. Let me upload the code. Let me just plug in this wire cable and go to tools. Okay, it's uploading. Let me just pause the video. When it will get uploaded, I will resume it. Yeah, so if I put my hand in front of this, wait for a few seconds, turn on the light of the relay. Let me just do that again. Yes, as you can see. And let me just turn on the battery. Okay. Now the As you can see, the solenoid valve has been turned on, so it's got a success. Shut up. So, and in the serial monitor, as you can see, the readings of the sensor is sensing all the waves which is striking off from the wall, hitting it back, and is being received by the echo pin. So that's how everything works, and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. If you share it in your dog's Instagram account, it will be perfect for me. I just need it. I need more views. Please share, subscribe, like it. If you have any kind of question, comment below. I will answer your questions. Thank you. Happy flying, happy programming, and have a good day.